Check it out, guys. 3 GCs. About to join the wingless gang.
Saw an RS and then like 3 days ago I saw a blue.
There's mine. And there's my good friends. Super hella clean.
I want to get those.
Oh, those are?
Yeah.
This is just a brief update on the Impreza. If you notice now, she's wingless. My rear bumper support is actually broken, so I fabricated a ghetto support mount underneath in that area out of wood just to kind of protect my exhaust from melting. Trying to go for the cleaner look. Fly under the radar. Police don't really bother you as much. It's actually helped me out a lot. My side skirts are kind of sagging on one side and it's completely removed on the other. Trying to figure out what to do about that because no matter what I do to secure it, it pops right off. I might have to get new fenders to get rid of the flares because right now I'm rocking no spacers in the front, but I have spacers in the rear. As you can see, the side skirt is hella rusted and is exposed. I kind of put something on it for now just to kind of protect it, but I don't think it's gonna do much. Familiar wheels now in my car. I officially have my Boost Brigade quick release on here with my Energy short hub. My only complaint about the setup is the fact that if you notice here, there's a huge gap. I'm not a fan of this. If there's a way to get new panels or a new hub to cover this, I'd jump on it immediately. To get the horn working too, I'm just waiting on this piece to come in, but there's a part that Toyota makes that hooks up in there where you can run the horn wire through there from the harness all the way up to here, and it contacts the back of the hub because it's a copper back, which creates a positive lead for the horn to work. So I'm just waiting for that to come in. Still got to get my other gauges, still got to get my shift boot, but we're getting there. Not much has changed except for the quick release, the issues with my bumper support, and also that. The radio's next. I can't stand it anymore. I need something to listen to my music instead of my 3 CDs since the cassette player doesn't work anymore. And my AM/FM antenna decided to just stop working, so I might do an AM/FM antenna delete in the front. These seats, they have got to go. They sit way too tall. If you notice, there's not that much clearance from the seat and the roof. I believe because these are GD seats and the rails are GD rails. Besides that though, she's not misfiring anymore, which is great on low RPMs. I have this new issue where it's stuttering when I move forward. It's almost like a motion like this when I'm doing about under 3K. I'm not sure if that has something to do with my hubs being bad since the previous owner ran spacers, but I guess we'll get a look into that. And one step closer to finishing it. Oh, almost forgot. Here, I finally got this switch. It used to be an ugly latch, but I finally got the switch to fill in this hole. And if you notice there's a lot of rust peeking underneath. That's another project that I have to do to preserve the chassis that I'll get into soon once I find out what I'm working with more or less underneath. What's up, guys? It's a new day. Now what we're doing is just preparing this harness for a radio install because I'm sick and tired of being stuck without Bluetooth. Here we have a Kenwood 325U. It's a mechless unit, meaning it's just Bluetooth, and that's it, pretty much. I just wanted something simple. I don't want anything crazy. Something that sounds decent because I'm trying to keep the car light but still have some entertainment and kind of make it a nice place to be in here. But yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product in just a few minutes. All right, fellas, so this is the head unit I went with. I just matched it to the lights in the car. Just got to get myself a little single dim pocket, but it sounds way better than the stock unit. I care about music and I care about entertainment. But yeah, here we go.